So car repairs, what's going on YouTube? Today we are working on this 2023 Toyota Camry. We're gonna be changing out the rear brakes. Got it already jacked up. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this rear wheel. These lugs are 21 millimeter. So on this model, we had the standard foot emergency brake. So we don't have to place in maintenance mode. We can just get straight to work. You got a 14 millimeter bolt here and a 14 millimeter bolt here. Just go ahead and loosen up this top one and then remove the bottom one completely. Get another 14, put it here to prevent it from spinning. The reason you're taking out this bottom one and loosening the top one is so you can swing the caliper up and out the way. Just like that. Brake pads here. Take that one out. Take that back one out. You see these clips on them? The new brakes should come with new clips as well. You just kind of match this one up to the new one. So it's pretty simple. Just grab these two like this, kind of match them up. Grab your clip, just match it like how it is on there now. Grab the back pad, just like that. This pad is gonna go on the back like this. Just that easy. Go ahead and grab a C-clamp, compress the piston here. Piston's compressed. You go ahead and drop your caliper over your brake pads. You want to make sure you apply some grease on the back of these pads here. And also if you have some grease, enough grease, go ahead and take these guide pins out. Apply some grease to the back of those as well. And grab that bolt for the back of the caliper at the bottom and screw that in. Grab the 14 mil, go to the bottom, tighten that up. That's how you replace the rear brakes on a 2023 Toyota Camry. So car repairs, like, share, subscribe. I have some more videos on the way. Just stick around, check it out. Peace.